Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the 2016 Audi S4. If you guys seen it in a previous video, I did say that I made around $4,500 profit on this car, but in reality, I actually made exactly $5,028 on this flip with doing minimal work. So in this video, I'm gonna go through all the steps of everything I had to do on this car, how much it cost me at the auction, how much the fees were, and how much all the repairs cost me. So stay tuned. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Every click helps the channel grow and brings you new car flip videos. All right, so let's get into it. So when you guys pick up these cars from the auction, they are completely filthy. They're literally caked up with dirt and mud and all types of things because they end up sitting in the tow yard or auction yard, I should say, sometimes for a month, sometimes for 2 months, sometimes longer. And if you've ever been in one of those, they are filled with dust in the air because there's a lot of vehicles driving by them. So first thing I always do is clean up this car. You can see we actually cleaned it up. I actually did wax like the top parts of it just to get it to shine nicer. I'll give you guys a quick look inside. You can see here, the previous owner did have a dog, it looks like, and they kind of scratched up the seats. The buyer didn't really care about it. They're actually picking it up today. So this is kind of why I'm doing this video in a hurry if it feels a little rushed. So I just wanted to give you guys a look of everything. You can see there was no damage on this car. This car was not in any accident. It is clean title. And yeah, there was only minimal work that I had to do on this car. So when I got the car, basically I went through everything. It did not have any check engine lights on or any fault codes. The battery needed to be recharged, but the battery is actually new from this year. So it looks like somebody put it in February. And it is now September, so it's literally not even a year old. And there was also a receipt in the trunk. So if the previous owner is watching this video, thank you for putting that receipt in the trunk because it does have a 3-year warranty on the battery, which I'm gonna pass on to the new buyer. The only problem I found with this car besides, you know, the interior scratches on the seat was the air conditioner wasn't working. So what I did is I did a recharge on it. And I put a leak detection dye in there to see if there was anything leaking, which I did not find, but the air conditioner was still not working after I got the pressure up to where it was supposed to be. So what I ended up finding is right underneath this cover right here, there is an air condition valve that basically controls and tells the compressor to turn on and off. It was a little valve. It literally only costed me about $30 and it took less than a few minutes to change. So once I changed that out, I went ahead and tested the system again and air conditioning is blowing super cold. So we're good on that. I did go ahead and check again with my UV light to see if I find any leaks, and I did not find any leaks. So we're good on that. So after the exterior cleaning on this, I went ahead and cleaned up the inside. Inside was pretty dirty and I just gave it a quick vacuum, quick wipe down, cleaned up the glass, and it was good to go. One nice thing about this car is it does have the Android head unit here, which has a whole bunch of apps. And the new buyer actually really liked that. It's kind of a cool feature because the radio that comes in these cars, it's got a really small screen. So you still basically get the same controls you would get with the OEM screen from right here, but you get all these extra features on there, which is also nice to have. All right, so now I want to get into the cost of how much this car cost me from the auction after fees and shipping, title, tax, and repairs. So with all that combined, this car cost me a total of $9,300, actually just under $9,300 to get everything done. Blue Book value on this car is in the upper $16,000 range. I ended up selling this car for $14,300. It was a little bit under the mid-range of Blue Book value, but in the end, I made a little bit over $5,000, and that's actually a really, really good profit for doing minimal work that I had to do on this car to get it ready for sale. Just some quick buying advice. When I'm bidding on cars, I'm always looking for clean title cars, you know, ones that haven't been in a wreck, because those are the easiest cars to flip, because nobody really wants to buy a car that's been in an accident. I mean, you will find a buyer to get that, but a lot of times it'll drive buyers away because they're going to want to see the Carfax and history report on this car. So I always run a report on a car before I even bid on it, just to make sure it has a good history and, you know, not a whole bunch of accidents, you know, small, minor stuff like that. It's not a big deal, but when it's been like in a major accident, it'll drive buyers away. So I'm always bidding on clean title cars, ones with like minimal damage and minimal work, like this one. So this is like a perfect example of a car you could find and actually make some money. This one literally took me less than a week to get everything cleaned up and good. I could have done it faster, but I was working on other projects. The only thing that took long was waiting for the title, which could sometimes drag on depending. Sometimes it's 1 to 2 weeks when you get the title, but if it's an out-of-state title from where you live, it could take even longer. And a lot of times I have to wait like over a month for the title to come and then be able to sell the car. If you guys want to learn how to flip cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video because it helps the algorithm and helps this channel grow. There will be a lot more car flip videos to come. I actually just purchased 2 more, which will be on the way. I should have them within a week, delivered to my house. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.